Only heroes eat this power meal, healthy food motivation for real champions. You know what separates heroes from the rest? It's not capes, it's what's on their plate. It starts with the foundation, green cabbage leaves. Clean, crisp, detoxifying. This is nature's armor. Then, sweet golden corn, bursting with energy and fiber. Slow-release fuel for champions. Add lean grilled chicken, muscle-building protein for strength, power, and performance. Layer it with kidney beans, black olives, fresh tomatoes, and crunchy capsicum. This isn't a salad, it's a battlefield of nutrients. Top it off with a hint of ranch. Because even heroes deserve flavor. This is the fuel of legends. Only heroes eat like this. Are you ready to step up? Subscribe and eat the rich diet that grows your muscles, builds proteins, and fix weaknesses that stop you from becoming successful like real champions.